So for the week 8 lab task 2, we were looking at the principle and processes surrounding the dihedral angle. So what students were finding difficult when carrying out the dihedral angle questions, or what the principles and procedures that they're finding most confusing. So I made up a model here on Fusion, and I was talking about the legs of the table. So when I look at the legs of a table, or many tables, I have a triangle in here. So it's made up of two planes. You've got a plane here A, you've got a plane B, and we can imagine in here it'll be hinged. So it'll be a hinge either side maybe, and that'll collapse the table, we'll say. But for the dihedral angle, we're looking to see the angle that these two planes make. So I need to be looking at this table, or these legs, as an edge view, as you'd say. So all I can see here is the edge of the table legs. So my dihedral angle in this case will be in between these two planes here. So planes A here and planes B. So if I go down from the top side, I can just see in my plan view what I would see in the leaving cert question is I'd see a plane A, I'd see a plane B, and the question might ask, find the dihedral angle between planes A and B. Now, the first thing you're going to look for is your line of intersection. So we can see here there's a line of intersection here. I've labelled it 1, 2. That's between our two planes. So our planes are meeting at that line. So in order to find that dihedral angle, we need to be seeing that as a point view. So if I'm talking about a line, I want to just see the point of that line. So I need to be looking at the line from a different side, from the side view. So if that's my line there, my line of intersection, I'm going to look at that as a point. My line of intersection is going to be in here. I can hide these ones here, so I can hide that just for the minute. So this little icon here, that's my intersection line, or my line of intersection between the planes. So I see that as a point. I have my edge view of my two planes. When I have my edge view and my point view, that's where I can find my dihedral angle. So the key thing to take away from this is that in order to find the dihedral angle, we need to see the line of intersection as a point view, and we need to see the planes as an edge view. Because without them, if you had your planes just like, if you set up your question and you were looking at your question like this and trying to find the dihedral angle, you can't find the dihedral angle like this, looking in at like an isometric view. You have to see it as its true shape, so it's true angle. So this is the true length of the line. So I need to be seeing this view, I need to be looking perpendicular at the planes in order to find them, because if I'm not perpendicular, I'm not going to be able to see the true dihedral angle.